But these strategies don't work with standard indicators, and even with the usual settings. Why do you believe when you watch these videos? Let me just show you what is a real automatic system for finding the best entry points. And with the free tools, we will try to repeat all these types of cool and popular videos, and with $100 to make more than 1,000. But there are a few important points. First of all, we will not trade with you the bank. Let's not cheat each other. To make 10 trades with 100% win rate is incredibly hard. We will need the TradingView website. All the top currency market analytics are collected there. We also need one simple, little known indicator with signals, the name of which you will soon learn. I will not bore you with a long introduction. The first thing we need to do is to immediately go to the site TradingView and pass the simplest registration. It's all done absolutely free. Click register, enter your data, and respectively get to the main site. Here we have a bunch of tools for trading. We are interested in Forex because we are trading on the currency market. Then we click here. Just unfold our chart. In front of us now appears a candlestick chart of the currency pair euro-dollar. We click here, unfold the list of currency pairs. You may not have them, but it's very easy to add them. Here we click plus, click Forex. Now we go to the Pocket Option platform. By the way, I will leave all the links in the description, so follow them. Here we are looking for currency pairs without OTS marking, because OTS are currency pairs from brokers. Here we have regular currency pairs respectively, and the rest are pairs from brokers. We are interested in regular ones and go through the list and add about 10 currency pairs. This will be enough for today's trading. Be sure, friends, look at the payout percentage. It should be higher than at least 75 or 78. This is a very important point. Pay attention to it. So, we have added a few currency pairs. Now the next point is to put the time frame of 1 minute. This is a necessary condition, and choose the candlestick chart type. The same thing we do on the platform. Put M1 candlestick chart type. Here we have M1, replenish your deposit. Today we're going to accelerate the balance from $100. Respectively, you can have it as your amount, and the first bet we will have half of the deposit. In principle, we can click here, put 50%. So, now we go to our automatic trading system, which will look for entry points for us. Go to the indicators section at the top, click here, and here we write the name of this indicator. Be sure to choose Alga Alpha from this author. Click on this indicator, add it to your favorites, and accordingly, we just have magic happening on the chart. Let me quickly tell you what it is, how to use it, and what it all means. Let's understand the indicator itself. We have two signals. This is a signal to go up, and this is a signal to go down. Respectively, after we have a signal to go up, and we see that we have a peg fixing, it means everything is formed. This signal we have nowhere to go. We open a deal and earn on the next. The same thing with the indicator on the downside, we definitely form a signal. We have a fully formed red candle, and from the opening of the new red candle, we open a down trade. With you and on this candle, we can make a great profit. Let's just wait for the next signal. So friends, look, we're supposed to have a signal now. Let's move on to the euro-dollar currency pair. We open this currency pair in advance. In 9 seconds, we will finish the formation of the candle. That's how we can turn on the timer, and in 3 seconds, we will have a signal. We quickly open on the rise, that's it, only after we have a signal and only after we have formed this candle, green or red, depending on the signal. That's it now. The signal will not go anywhere. It means that it is confirmed, and now we enter the deal and wait for a minute. So guys, the first deal we have apparently closes in a very good plus. Here we have bet 50%. Don't forget, after each bet for some reasons reset. Alright, now our next bet is gonna be $71 and $50. We need to make sure that we have the right to make a mistake. If we go all in, it can end very badly for us. So, we have another signal coming in. It just came in. We just had a scroll formation, so the market hasn't even moved yet. We have the buy signal on the outcut currency pair. We are waiting with you for the result. Friends, let's summarize once again. Let's start in order. That's it. The first thing, we wait for the signal to appear with you is very important. The second thing, we wait until the candle we have fully formed and begins to form a new candle. If you get into the market when the market after the signal has already grown or fallen, you risk losing all your money, because the use of strategy implies a complete, systematic adherence to all the rules. Further, it's necessary to understand that we use currency pairs only with a yield of 75 or 80% and above. If you trade on low-yielding currency pairs, this strategy also carries additional risks for you. By the way, another trade, or rather the second one, closes in plus. We switch to percentages again. Put 50% and wait for the next signal. So, we wait until we again have a new candle, switch to the broker and open a deal on the upside. It is desirable when you already see some mark on the signal, or a hint of the exit from the gray zone. That's it. As a rule, the signal comes when the price fixes above this gray zone. That's it. The green zone is a normal range of the trading market. The price goes beyond this zone. We usually get a signal. Maybe some other factors are used in these indicators, but roughly speaking, we should be ready to place a deal on the signal. Guys, it's a pity, but at the last seconds, the market formed a dodgy switch and this signal unfortunately didn't work out. It happens too, but remember my words. If we were trading in the bank today, we would have lost our entire deposit right on this trade. So, we are not discouraged. Let's move on. Well friends, I think I'll just refrain from making short comments on the remaining trades. Because basically, you know the whole principle, you can safely repeat it all by yourself. Let's just make as many trades as we need to reach our goal of $1,000. Whew, friends, it's just incredible. We're incredibly lucky with you, just the trade at least in some plus we close, as this trade would be our last trade, as we have no more right to make a mistake with you. So, if you want to trade even more safely, divide your deposit into at least 5 parts. All on this screen, so we open the next currency pair, go to the platform, press down button, and in 60 seconds, we will know the result. And so, here I see the potential for the continuation of the downtrend. At least we have a support zone right here, and I don't see any reasons for a reversal, so we follow the signal and our own analytics. I don't even know how to comment on this. Look how awesome our trade is, and we're just reaching the support line I told you about. Here we also opened the trade a little bit late, but given that we have the market in the same place as when we opened this candle, this is acceptable. We take into account the next signal. In 3 seconds, the formation of this candle will end, and we immediately open on the downside. Friends, by some miracle, just unbelievable, the loss rate is closing in the plus. As you can see, I didn't risk 50% because we literally needed a small bet to reach our goal of $1,000. Let's celebrate by making a withdrawal with you. I think we can safely withdraw $937, and the initial deposit we can safely leave on the balance to work with it further. So, look for the code, enter the code to withdraw funds, click continue all the applications we have formed perfectly. Here is such a simple experiment we have with you guys. Don't forget to repeat all the knowledge gained in practice. It's critically important. I will be eternally grateful to you if you subscribe to my Telegram channel, link to which I will leave in the description. There I try to share their current strategies and signals, so you too, with the help of my experience, you can earn. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.